This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basic prerequisites. Make sure your microphone passes an OS level test and update Roblox so permission flows match the current build. Once done, sign into your Roblox account. Then open Settings and go directly to the Privacy or Account tab. This is where microphone access appears. You do this because Roblox reflects OS permissions, so fixing it here saves time. If you're in a browser, keep that tab visible. If you're in the app, stay signed in before continuing. Next, enable the in-game switch. Toggle microphone access to on within Roblox settings and pick voice or voice chat as needed. Then make sure your operating system uses the correct input device. Open the sound panel and set your microphone as default. Once you change that, return to Roblox. Allow any browser or app permission pop-ups that ask for microphone access. You do this because Roblox needs both its internal toggle and the OS permission to receive audio simultaneously. Finally, validate the setup by joining a private server or an official audio test place and speaking. Watch for visual input indicators. If you don't see activity, restart Roblox or the browser and recheck microphone permissions in both the app and OS. If problems persist, update audio drivers, try a different microphone, or switch browsers to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: when nothing else works, revoke and re-grant microphone permission in your OS. This often clears stale permission states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.